Decoding idioms. It's not rocket science. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to unravel the mystery behind a popular phrase, "It's not rocket science." This idiom might sound complex at first, but don't worry, understanding it is easier than you think. Let's explore its meaning, origins, and how you can use it in everyday conversation. The phrase, "It's not rocket science," is used to indicate that something is not very complicated or difficult to understand. It suggests that the task or concept at hand does not require the advanced knowledge or expertise one might associate with rocket science, which is widely considered to be a highly complex field. In simple terms, when someone says, "It's not rocket science," they mean, this is easy to understand or do. To appreciate this idiom fully, it's helpful to know a bit about its background. "It's not rocket science" began to be popularly used in the late 20th century. The phrase plays on the public's perception of rocket science as an epitome of intellectual challenges, requiring a vast understanding of physics, engineering, and mathematics. By contrast, the idiom humorously downplays the complexity of the situation it's applied to, emphasizing its accessibility and simplicity. This idiom is versatile and can be used in various contexts, from casual conversations to professional settings. Here are a few examples to help you understand how to use it. When someone is overthinking a simple problem, you might say, "Don't worry, it's not rocket science. You'll figure it out." To encourage someone hesitant to try something new because they think it's too difficult, you could reassure them with, "Give it a try, it's not rocket science." In a work meeting, when discussing a straightforward solution to a problem, a person might assert, "Implementing this plan is not rocket science. We can easily do it." Interestingly, there are other ways to express the same idea using different idioms. Phrases like, "It's not brain surgery," or "It's a piece of cake," convey similar meanings, emphasizing the ease or simplicity of a task. These variations enrich the English language, offering multiple ways to express a concept in a colorful and engaging manner. And that's a wrap on "It's not rocket science." We hope this video has illuminated the meaning, origins, and uses of this idiom, making your journey through the English language a bit more enjoyable and a lot less daunting. Remember, learning a new language might seem complex at times, but with curiosity and practice, it's not rocket science. Stay tuned for more insights into the fascinating world of English idioms, and as always, happy learning. Feel free to share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. See you in our next video.